Hey guys, this is the Youngnails Speed Acrylic Kit. Also got this on Black Friday. Just wanted to try it out. I did not have that rose cuticle oil because I took it to the salon. Was not a fan of mine, or I wasn't a fan of it. So now we're just taking out the files, the brush. Here we have the monomer. The swipe, the tips, the forms, powders, and the little extra box, the pipette, brush, and the extras. It's the top coat, ultimate finish gel, the glue, the protein bomb, and another powder. I think I got this kit for somewhere between $60 and $70 something when it was on sale. I'm just showing you I already have some monomer in the bottle. I only open the acrylics that I don't have because I have Speed Clear already. Speed is what I prefer from Youngnails other than the core covers. Or covers, I'm sorry, not core. The covers. I like the covers. I do not like the cores. It takes too long to set. I'm just getting everything set up for the swatching. And this brush looks about an 8. I'm not sure what size it is because the box doesn't say, but I compared it to the 8 I already have, and it looks like an 8. The bristles in this brush are really stiff. Not because of the packing chemicals that were in it, but it just felt really stiff. So brush cleaner is in this pink container. So I just got out what I could, and then I took some brush cleaner to it. And this is the Speed Clear. I'll swatch that first because it's the one I had open. And the other ones are colored, so we did not want the clear to be colored. I'm trying out this brush just to see in comparison to what I normally use. Youngnails does go on. It's not, I wouldn't consider it a buttery texture. I consider it a little, it can be on the runny side. And I'm not one to drain my beads because I'm pretty good at controlling my liquid to powder ratio. So I typically find that it can be a little runny, but I'm okay with that depending on what I'm using it for. And the other part that I noticed about this brush is that with application it was stiff. It wasn't as soft as our typical Kolinsky brushes. But you know, when you're trying something out, go ahead and try it all the way out, to be fair. And this is the Speed Pink, Sheer Pink, something like that. I'm not exactly sure. It's the pink. And I felt like not all of the Youngnails powders are running. So I kind of wonder if it's just an ingredient that's added to the others that is not to the clear. But it doesn't really matter. All it takes is a little bit of practice, and you can learn how to work with any acrylic. As long as it's not super marble where you can't even work it out, then I would say you cannot work with the acrylic. And this is the Frosted Pink. I felt like I was struggling a little bit with this brush, and I normally don't struggle with the product that I'm pretty much used to working with because I've been using their Speed Clear. So I felt like it was really the brush. But again, I'm gonna give it a fair shake. Because you want to be honest. Now this reminds me of the opaque pink that OPI has that I absolutely love. This is a cover blush. And I switched brushes right here just because this had a little bit of shimmer in it, and I wanted to see if it was just me or if it was the brush I was using. And I know the covers have a little like 15-second difference in setting time. But after swatching this, I was like, it might be that brush. I absolutely love this cover blush. I think buying acrylic kits is a deal if you're just looking to get the colors in the kit and not really so much branching out. Unless you're not using the other colors in the kit, but at least starting out you'll have the colors. And you can always practice or play with them, so that's what I do with colors that I don't really use on clients or that sit around a little bit. I just practice with them. Now right here I was like, I don't know. It's like I wasn't really feeling this brush, but at the same time I was like, after this white, I don't know. Maybe it's just getting used to the brush, which is also a thing too when you're doing acrylic. Some brushes you really do have to get used to working with. So if you're trying a new brush on top of new acrylic, that could be a disastrous combo if you're doing a client. So please do not try out a new brush and a new acrylic on a client. Play with it first and get comfortable, get to know it. And this is just me cleaning out the brush. Overall, I like the kit. The brush isn't bad. It's not my favorite, but it's not bad. Like if this was the low odor that they came out with, this would be great for nail schools just to give to their students as kits to practice with. It has 5 colors. It comes with files, tips, forms, so you can get all the practice you need. You just need a lamp if you're doing gel polish. If not, you're good to go. And this is just me conditioning my other brush. Cleaning out my dapping dish, and a lot of people use bigger dapping dishes, and I mean I get it if you're doing a long nail set, but a lot of time it's a waste of product, and I do not like to waste my product. I do not at all. I'd rather have to refill my dapping dish than to have a large dapping dish and waste like 2 or 3 ounces of monomer. This is just me painting each of them with the finishing gel. One thing I did notice that I wasn't too thrilled about is that their finishing gel is only 10 ounces. Hey, Youngnails, I need my other 10 mLs. I need my other 5 mLs. A full-size nail polish bottle is 15 mLs. I need my 15. I'm short 5. Anyway, just kidding. But it is something to be aware of, because if it's your #1 product that you're using, you may run out faster and have to replenish it, whereas iGel, Valentino, even IBD, Super Nail, and other brands, it's usually about 15 mLs in a bottle. If you're lucky and you get gel bottle, it's 20. Most of their bottles are 20 ml. The brand I use is American Nails, and it's great. It is a non-silk off. Absolutely love it.